it's true. I've had my artwork removed from Redbubble. Hello, I'm MC Seth, and yeah, this is a video about having my artwork removed from Redbubble. Obviously, I'm not really that sad about it. The story is, right, I made 30 designs they were all very similar, and they were all in the superhero niche, and all the artwork was credible, but I think I messed up with the tags. That's the problem, and that's why not all 30 of them got banned. 6 of them did, in like 2 emails, which I'll call strikes because that's a familiar term. And so in these 2 strikes, number 1 and number 2 were like they came up in the first strike, and then the second strike contained 4 more of them. So I was like, that's interesting. And because I was referring to them as strikes, I was like, I don't want a 3rd one, because that means I'm out of the game. So what I've done is I've put them all into private mode and just added an email over to Redbubble, just saying, look, I see you've taken these ones down. Everything's legit, and I'll change the tags if you want. Sorry for being a dick, basically, and I won't do it again. I'm happy to change it, but if you decide that nope, you're not going to let me do it, it's fine. And so that's kind of the attitude I wanted to relay to you guys, that you need to have if this happens to you. Just fucking move on, man, because it's a lot easier than going, oh, I really did a lot in that artwork, and I really, you know, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. And since then, I've done hundreds of pieces of artwork, so it really doesn't matter. And if they do say yes, they're only on private. I just click them on again and make sure the tags are changed. Simple. But the reason I'm making this into a video is because I think that's a really good bit of advice that no one really says. You know, don't get too stressed about your artwork being removed. Sometimes, look, 100% of the time it's robots removing it because something's not right somewhere. That's what happens 100% of the time. No humans get around and go, That's my bit of advice on that one. Don't stress too much about it. Move on, create more, because those designs came from somewhere good. Just bring more out. And that's my advice on that. So I'll see you soon.